everyone, welcome back to Tiny Talent. Today we're going to draw Gary from SpongeBob. Great, let's get started. First we're going to draw his eyes. So we're going to draw one big eye right to the left of the page first. Okay. And then we're going to draw a black pupil in the middle. Around the outside after, we're going to color that orange, but I'm not going to mark it now. Okay, let's do the other eye, and it's behind the big eye. Up and around. And then do his pupil. Okay. We'll do the stems of his eyes next. So they start out and they go in and then out again. Like that. And then the next one. Okay, and just kind of stop, don't go as far down there. Now this one's kind of behind. So we're just going to draw this little line to about there. And then the other line's going to come down the other part of the eye. Okay. All done. Now let's form the part of his mouth. This line starts here, just goes up and back down like that. And then this side, it's the same thing. Okay. And then his mouth, he has a very open mouth with all his teeth. Okay. And then there's 4 lines. Well done. So there's one little kind of line like that. Goes in like that. And then this line starts and it goes in, out, and up. Okay? And then once you have that line, we're going to go all the way around to just about there. Okay? So bring your pencil across so you have that line even. And take it in sections if you need be, okay? You can turn your paper. All right. Once you have that, it goes like that. And then it goes in and out just to form the bottom part of his shell. Right? Well done, everyone. All right, let's continue on. We're just going to do the bottom part. This goes down around in a little part like that, and then back and forth all the way over here, okay? Okay, everyone, and lastly, I'm going to do the design on the inside of his shell. Kind of a swirly design. It goes up, around, to a point, back, and then down like that. Okay, I'll stop it there for you to catch up. Alright, that's Gary drawn. Let's color him in. I'll be showing you at the end of the video what colors I used if you'd like to pause it. Thank you so much for joining me today on Tiny Talent and drawing this really cute Gary from SpongeBob. See you next time. Bye!